Welcome to Heroes Assembly. My name is Africa Awu. You can also call me the grandson of all revolutionary ancestors. Today, I'll be talking about NEPA and their estimated bill. Permit me to call them NEPA because that is the name they are known for on the street and in offices. According to electricity generating companies in Nigeria, the average power supply in Nigeria is 3,851 megawatts. The peak average power supply, which was fixed in January 2017, was around 4,425 megawatts. This alone is enough to explain the poor power supply that we are experiencing in Nigeria. But poor power supply is not the reason for this video. The reason for this video is to discuss about the estimated bill that comes from NEPA every month. It's unfortunate and uncalled for that in the month when there is light, the bills are usually low, but when there is little or no light, the bills are usually higher. There is a need for Nigerians to know exactly the criteria being used by NEPA in determining these bills they bring every month. For crying out loud, what is the logic behind paying little when there is light and paying higher when there is no light? For example, there was a time I traveled for about 4 months. Surprisingly, when I came back, I met series of bills kept for me by NEPA, and the reason was that I ought to have reported in their office that I'm traveling, so they will not bring bills, and since they've brought it, I will have to pay. I'm like, I will pay for a light I never consume. Who does that? That's how funny things are here in Nigeria. So many companies have run away from this country because of the issue of power supply and estimated bill. I believe that the reason our government privatized this power NEPA to say was to tackle the menace of estimated bill and lack of power supply. But unfortunately, it is even worse now that private companies are controlling it compared to the days when we have NEPA. Because these people are just concerned about money. They are not even ready to render any service at all. You apply for prepaid meter, they tell you they don't have, you have to pay money, you bribe this, you bribe that, yet they won't give. But every month they continue to come with their bills. Some areas in Badagry don't have lights because their transformer has been weeks away from about 6 months now. Yet NEPAs continue to drop bills at their doorstep every month, and when you refuse to pay, they threaten to go away with your wire. What kind of NEPA are we having in this country? There is a need for our government to intervene, because everywhere you go in Nigeria, it is the same complaint. Whether in the east, in the north, south, west, name it, it is the same problem. The bills continue to go higher when there is no light, and they are not even remorseful about it. They don't even care. They tell you, the marketers will tell you they are given target. If they can meet their target of supplying light, how are we to be compelled to pay for what we've not consumed? Please tell me what you think in the comment section, and don't forget to share and subscribe to our channel. Until we meet again next time, I remain the grandson of all ancestors. Bye for now.